Hi, Professor Jacob Kincaid, 10/25/2019. I already have the eye already cut, and I'm going to show you some of the features I find most interesting and really cool. First is the visceral body. Um, it's almost like a very gelatin type structure as it just like folds. It essentially helps reflect because it's essentially completely clear. I believe the light towards the uh, nerve endings towards the back of the eye. The next part I found really cool, which is completely opposite, um, is the lens of the eye, and then also the iris, which the iris kind of reminds me of a inside of a mushroom with how it's got the flaps and uh, kind of is like you take a top mushroom, turn it over, and the lens is type of like the stem, and the iris is like the fans that go all the way around. Um, the lens is extremely hard, um, like a rock, but you can see through it kind of like a glass marble um, or a glass eye. Um, so I thought that was really cool. I didn't realize how hard the entire structure was, that it actually took me quite some time to cut through into the um, front of the eye, where we have the cornea that protects the eye, and then we have the back of the eye, which has some really awesome colors back there, some blues and greens, which I found that really interesting, that there's so many bright fluorescent colors back there. And if I move uh, the thin layer tissue back there, you can really see the colors even more. But it's only on half of it. The other half is completely black. And then on the back side, we have all the little muscles and tendons around it that help move the eye in every direction. I took most of them off, but these, how they're angled in very linear shapes going up and down, um, I found that fascinating. And then we also have the optic nerve at the very back, little projectile. So that is the cow eye dissection. The smell is definitely not as bad as the sheep brain. So, thank you.